Spin, create, compete. Crayola Colourwhirls, the ultimate art and play kit for kids ages 6 to 8. Dive into a whirlwind of creativity with Crayola Colourwhirls, the spinning top toy that redefines fun and art. Watch as each rip and spin transforms into mesmerizing, one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Unlike ordinary toys, this innovative kit combines art, competition, and hands-on play, making it a favorite for kids and adults alike. With its washable markers and durable design, Colourwhirls are perfect for endless hours of fun without the mess. What sets Crayola Colourwhirls apart? It's the blend of action-packed gameplay and vibrant creativity. Compete with friends in thrilling spin battles and see whose art steals the show. Each spin creates a masterpiece that's uniquely yours, making every moment unforgettable. Plus, with Crayola Ultra-Clean Markers, cleaning up is a breeze, no stains on skin, clothes, or surfaces. Looking for a toy that grows with your child's imagination? Crayola Colourwhirls offers endless possibilities. Collect all 12 vibrant colors to expand your artistic arsenal, and turn every spin into a new adventure. Whether it's a casual spin or a competitive showdown, Colourwhirls promise hours of non-stop fun. Why choose Colourwhirls for your little artist? It's not just a toy, it's a gateway to creative exploration. From birthdays to holidays, this kit makes the perfect gift for boys and girls who love hands-on activities. Its compact, portable design ensures that the fun travels with you, whether at home, on vacation, or at a playdate. Safe, durable, and tech-tested, Crayola Colourwhirls are built for the ultimate kid-proof fun. Designed for ages 6 and up, this non-toxic kit is parent-approved for its quality and versatility. Make this holiday season unforgettable with a gift that spins, inspires, and delights, because when creativity meets competition, the possibilities are endless.